హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు టెక్ ఎస్పీ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం వార్డ్ శానిటేషన్ అండ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ సెక్రటరీ జాబ్కి సంబంధించి ఆన్లైన్ టెస్ట్ 3ని ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలో చూస్తాము. మీరు కనుక ఇప్పటివరకు మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే కింద రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్, ఆల్ ప్రోటీన్స్ కంటైన్ ద same 20 amino acids. All proteins contains same 20 amino acids. Proteins contain only levo alpha amino acids. The optically inactive amino acid is glycine. Glycine is optically inactive amino acid. At neutral pH, a mixture of amino acids in solution would be predominantly dipolar ions. The true statement about solutions of amino acids at physiological pH is all amino acids contain both positive and negative charges. Isoelectric pH of alanine is 6.02. Since the pK values for aspartic acid are 2, 3.9 and 10, it follows that the isoelectric pH is 3. Next one, sulfur containing amino acid is methionine. Methionine contains sulfur amino acid. An example of sulfur containing amino acid is 2-amino 3-mercaptopropanic acid. All of the following are sulfur containing amino acids found in proteins except threonine. Remaining cysteine, methionine has sulfur containing amino acid. An aromatic amino acid is tyrosine. The functions of plasma albumin are osmosis. Amino acid with side chain containing basic groups is 2-amino 5-guanidovaleric acid. An example of alpha amino acid not present in proteins but essential in mammalian metabolism is 2-amino 4-mercaptobutonic acid. An essential amino acid in man is methionine. Methionine is an essential amino acid in man. Non-essential amino acid may be synthesized in the body from essential amino acids. Which one of the following is semi-essential amino acid for humans? Arginine. Arginine is semi-essential amino acid for humans. An example of polar amino acid is arginine. The amino acid with a non-polar side chain. Valine. A ketogenic amino acid is leucine. Leucine is a ketogenic amino acid. An amino acid that does not form an alpha helix is proline. An amino acid not found in proteins is an amino acid which is not found in proteins is beta-alanine. In mammalian tissues, serine can be a biosynthetic precursor of glycine. A vasodilating compound is produced by the decarboxylation of the amino acid. Histidine. Biuret reaction is specific for CONH linkages. Sakaguchi's reaction is specific for arginine. Nash's reaction is specific for the amino acid tyrosine. Ninhydrin with evolution of carbon dioxide forms a blue complex with alpha amino acids. The most of the ultraviolet absorption of proteins above 240 nanometers is due to their content of tryptophan. It's due to the content of tryptophan. Which of the following is a dipeptide? Which of the following is a dipeptide? Anserine. Anserine is a dipeptide. Which of the following is a tripeptide? Which of the following is a tripeptide? Glutathione. A peptide which acts as potent smooth muscle hypotensive agent is bradykinin. A peptide which acts as potent smooth muscle hypotensive agent is bradykinin. A tripeptide functioning as an important reducing agent in the tissues is glutathione. An example of metalloprotein is ceruloplasmin. Carbonic anhydrase is an example of metalloprotein. Carbonic anhydrase is an example of metalloprotein. An example of chromoprotein is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is an example of chromoprotein. An example of scleroprotein. Keratin. Keratin is an example of scleroprotein. Casein, the milk protein, is phosphoprotein. An example of phosphoprotein present in egg yolk is ovovitelin. A simple protein found in the nucleoproteins of the sperm is protamine. Histones are proteins rich in lysine and arginine. Histones are proteins rich in lysine and arginine. The protein present in hair is keratin. Keratin is the protein which is present in hair. The amino acid from which synthesis of the protein of hair keratin takes place in methionine. In one molecule of albumin, the number of amino acids is 16. In one molecule of albumin, the number of amino acids is 16. Plasma proteins which contain more than 4% hexosamine are mucoproteins. After releasing oxygen at the tissues, hemoglobin transports carbon dioxide and protons to the lungs. After releasing oxygen at the tissues, hemoglobin transports carbon dioxide and protons to the lungs. Ehlers and Danlos syndrome, characterized by hyperbombyl joints and skin abnormalities, is due to abnormality in gene for procollagen. Next one, proteins are soluble in aqueous alcohol. A cereal protein soluble in 70% alcohol but insoluble in water or salt solution is gliadin. Many globular proteins are stable in solution in spite they lack in disulfide bonds. సో ఇది ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆన్లైన్ టెస్ట్ 3 యొక్క ఆన్సర్కి. అండ్ మీకు కనుక ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటే షేర్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఇప్పటి వరకు మీరు కనుక మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే కింద రెడ్ కలర్ బటన్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.